Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here opening up the Heavy Metal Halloween 2023. I got 4 of these, so we'll see how we do. But before we get into that, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. Alright, so I got 4 of these boxes. So we're going to open up the first one. I'm going to do it in my lap. Actually, nope. I'm going to do it right here. And turn my head so I don't see what's in the box. Hopefully these aren't badly damaged, because I've watched some videos and they've been pretty bad. We're going to try to do the sodas first. Alright. First one is Proto. I'm not going to open it up because there's no chase. This is the 3000. Alright. Feel around. Here's the other one. And it is Freddy Funko as the Devil. So that one's pretty cool. Alright, I know there's 3 in here. Or is there just 2 in there? No, there's 3. And what do we got? Freddy Funko as Spirit. And it's a 5,000 piece. 5,000 piece. 3,000 piece. So, alright, now we're going to go with the Funkos. And I don't know what I'm getting. It's Freddy Zombie Glitter. Oh, it's purple. Let's see how the box is. Oh, not bad. I've seen everybody get them crease up here and crease right here and a crease right here, but this one, oh, well, take that back. There's a little tear right there. Little tear right there. But other than that, not too bad. And we'll check the prices on these because they should be leveling out to where they should be the right price, because this was in October. So alright, second one, Heavy Metal Halloween Atomic Freddy. 3,000 piece on this one, by the way, and 3,000 piece on that one. Alright, this one's not bad. Let's see, any damage. Other than I just about dropped it, but no damage. Alright, so this should be our mascot. Which mascot was it? It was Jack. This one's pretty cool. And of course he's 600 piece. Alright. So this is box 1. Let's just, I don't know if I should do, but we're going to. This might be a long video. Right now he's going for $14. and he's not even showing up. So I don't know if that's really bad or what. He's going for $17. And I just noticed there is a little crease right down here. A little crease. Alright. So, yeah. Alright, I'm not going to actually do all that. See what the pops or the sodas are going for. Huh? Spirit. It's 25. Devil's 22. And the Proto's 24. So, see, the box was... What was the box? Sorry. Like... 105. These were like 105. So these two, probably got what the box was worth. Maybe some of these, but I got all mascots. So I got the Grave, Jack. Alright. Box number 2. Box number 2. Alright, we'll go do sodas first. Oh, we got Funko as Spirit, but a different one. Second one, Funko as Chucky. Oh, that's pretty cool. I think there was a variant of this one. I'm not 100% sure. And then Vampire Proto, but it's the black and white one. The other one was polka dotted. This one is 2,000 piece. This one is 5,000 and 2,000. So 2 2,000s and 1 5,000 in there. Alright. First Funko. Atomic Freddy, a different one. This one's a 5,000 piece. It's got a big rip right there. See it? So in a dent right there. So it took some damage from the Funkos, or from the Funko sodas, which sucks. Alright. And then our second one is Freddy Funko as Mysterio. Did it right here. pushed in. And a crease right there. Crease there. He's a 5,000 piece, and he's a 5,000 piece. So let's see what our mascot was. Sid Vicious. The one this one came out of. And of course he's a 6,000 piece. And he's got a little crease right there. Alright, I'm not going to go through values, but yeah, there's some damage on them. Alright, I might pop up the prices on each one in the video if I can remember. So far, nothing spectacular. Alright, box number 3. Alright. And our first soda, oh, a black light. So that's cool. 3,000 piece. Freddy Funko as Werewolf. Second soda. Oh. Freddy Funko as Werewolf, but this one's black light and this one isn't. This one's a 3,000 piece and so is that one. Alright, our last soda is, oh, another black light. Freddy Proto. Black light. And he's a 3,000 piece. Oh, not bad. Alright. Our first Funko Pop is, oh, Freddy Bones. Glow in the dark. 3,000 piece. Alright, this one's good. Now there's a factory crease right here, but that it's clearly where they've connected two boxes together. But that wasn't from the sodas. So, alright, not bad. And our second Funko Pop is Freddy Funko as Lex Luthor. 3,000 piece. Okay. Got a crease right there. Right there. But other than that, not bad. Alright. So what was our mascot? And it is for Rusty Steel. Alright. Not bad. So let's see. We've had Sid. We had Jack. Now we got Rusty. So the next one should be the Graveyard one, which was the one I really wanted. That and the Jack. The Jack was pretty cool too. And Sid. Alright. Like I said, I'll probably tally up afterwards on, how much they are. Unless I've got a pretty good hit. And then I might look it up. But so far these are okay hits. But nothing to write home to mama about, as they say. Alright, our final box. Do this one in the lap because that's off of far reach. Alright, first soda is Freddy Funko as Batman Beyond. Pretty cool one. And he's a 3,000 piece. Alright, second soda is another Proto. I think we got this one. This is a 4,000 piece. So far not bad though. That's the only repeat one I've had. And our last one is Freddy Funko as the Monster, 500 piece. Okay, we're going to look this one up because that's a rare piece, or limited piece count. Alright, so let's go with our first Funko, and it is Freddy Funko as Casey Jones, and he's a 3,500 piece. Now let's check the damage on him. He's got a little, just a like pull back just a little bit, but no tear there. But you got Ian feel where our soda was right there. But not bad. Alright. Our second one is Freddy Funko. Okay, we're going to check this one out too. Because this is the Diamond Freddy Bones 500 piece. Whoa. Yeah, we're definitely going to check this one and this out. Let's see. No damage there. And it looks in good shape. Holy crap. So that means our last Funko is Phil D. Graves. No damage to it. And of course, he's 6,000 piece. Okay. These two, I am going to see if they're on Hobby DBD. But I will still throw it on the bottom. Just to see. Let's see. Okay, Freddy Funko as the Monster, 500 piece. This guy right here is going for 350 bucks. Holy crap. That almost paid for the whole entire boxes I got, because there were only 105 a piece. Whoa. Yikes. So let's see what this Funko is going for. Maybe. Alright. I'm going to have to manually put him in, so. Whoa. All right. It's a 500 piece count diamond edition. It's going for $750. Whoa. That was a good box. Whoa. Wow. All right. Whew. Still getting over that. I just, hold on, just want to make 100% sure I got the right one. Yeah. I know you can't see that, but yep. $750. Whoa. The soda blew me away, but now the, whoa. All right. Well, without further ado, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the notification bell to get notified of the next videos that are coming. And y'all have a good day or good night. Depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.